Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading. You can watch that, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies today, Sagittarius. We have Hierophant in reverse, Four of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So, today, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are thinking about something important. You are deciding on certain things, making a plan for your future, and you want to make the right choices. And you may have a lot of dreams about your future. You're planning something and you want to work towards those dreams and you want to make the right choice that will lead towards your dreams and goals. And you are someone really experienced. You have a lot of knowledge, wisdom based on your experience, and you want to make the right choice today. And you may have people appreciating you for your knowledge, and you may have people asking your guidance and support in certain things. But today you are thinking about something very important, something you need to decide for yourself. It may be about something in this relationship. So you have a lot of dreams about your future life with this person, or your future love, or your dream life. And you are thinking whether this is the love for you, this is the relationship for you, or not. So you are making an important choice today. Maybe because though you love this person, though you may have a level of understanding with them, you love to be with them, but there may be some arguments or quarrels in this relationship. And you work through it, both of you go through uh, all those arguments or fights and try to make efforts to balance your circumstances. Both of you are making the efforts, but still you're thinking about this relationship, thinking whether you need this connection or not. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Page of Cups. So today you are getting a news, something coming. Maybe this person is here to tell you something important, and it is something really good. And it may be a message they are sending to you, or it may be an email, or they may be coming in person to give this good news. So your person is coming with good news. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So maybe all those arguments or whatever difficulties you had, all that is changing for you today, Sagittarius. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Seven of Wands. So in your work circumstances, you may have a lot of competition, lot of things you need to do, struggles maybe, obstacles you need to overcome. But whatever it is, you have a very good advantage. Circumstances may be favoring you, or the people you work with, they may be favoring you. So things are resolving, falling into place in your career circumstance, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, we will see what is this card. For those who chose this card, co create. So, in your circumstances today, you are creating your own reality, maybe with that thoughts, with your intentions, beliefs, and actions. You are creating your own reality each and every moment. And maybe you do not consider yourself as the creator, but you are the creator of your reality, of your life. So it is very important you do things, or you be really positive today, having that positive intentions. And you need to understand that you are a part of the divine spirit, or that higher power, or God, whatever you call it. So you have that spark in you, and that spark is inspiring you today towards your actions or beliefs, your intentions. So through that divine inspiration, you are creating your life. And when you understand this reality, when you know for yourself in deep down in your heart of hearts, you will only see grace and beauty in your circumstances. So, the same way in this relationship, when you are open to this person, open to this connection, when you are really honest about what you are, and when you express that to that other person, you feel really happy because you see that openness and that truth reciprocating back to you. And your love becomes a unique work of art, and you are an embodiment of beauty. And you feel really inspired and confident in this relationship. So that is the energy with this card. Maybe with this person you feel really inspired, you feel really loved, cared for, and maybe this person, with this person you have mutual love, respect, and caring. And you are always inspired, you have that inspiration flowing through you. But sometimes we put a stop to it. Maybe our ego just barges in, or our mind just barges in, telling us something. But when we tune into that intuition, inspiration, we will feel always beautiful, graceful, and happy. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, in your circumstances today, maybe you are seeing some changes just like the movement of sun or the planets, the way it affects us, the way it affects us deeply, body, mind, and soul. You need to understand that you are going through a karmic cycle, something that is out of control, something you cannot change or you're powerless to change, and your circumstances are pushing you towards surrender to that divine energy or that divine destiny unfolding in your life today. And though it may look like something difficult to handle, though you feel like you are comfortable in your own way and you don't want these changes happening, and you're scared or you're afraid of these changes or the way your circumstances are going out of control, these changes are happening for something better. It is opening you up for that divine destiny that is waiting to unfold in your life today. And you are seeing life changing circumstances today. But instead of holding on or resisting these changes, you can just go with the flow, go with the tide wherever it takes you, because it is going to lead you towards something good, something better, something which you never imagined. So, divine destiny is unfolding. That is the energy with this card. Whether you like it or not, it is right there coming towards you. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.